friends, this is Shinvas here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Cars Info. Before getting into the video, it's a small request, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video related to an automobile, you're not missing it, and also share it to your friend circle. Now coming to the today's video topic, I'm going to talk about the latest entrant into the compact SUV segment from the brand Renault, and they have named as Renault Kiger, and it has been launched with a starting price of 5,45,000. It's a very aggressive pricing from the Renault, and it will be going against the players like from the brands of Hyundai Venue, Kia Sonet, Tata Nexon, Mahindra's XUV300, Ford EcoSport, Toyota's Urban Cruiser, Maruti Suzuki's Vitara Brezza, and from the Nissan Magnite. As it's a compact SUV, and Renault Kiger is going to share the same platform which has been already used by the Renault in their own product, that is Renault Triber, and also the same platform that has been already shared by Nissan Magnite. As it's a compact SUV, the dimension goes around as it's a compact, so it will be a sub 4 meter SUV. So the length is 3991 mm, width is 1750 mm, height is 1600 mm. Coming to the wheelbase, it is 2500 mm, and coming to the ground clearance, it comes around 205 mm, and it is available in 4 variant option: RXC, RXL, RXT, and RXZ. And it comes with a color option of either monotone or the single or also dual tone option. Based on the variant, you can choose the color. And coming to the engine option, it comes with 1 liter turbocharged petrol with the CC is 999cc. Power is, it has two powers. One is the 100 PS and another is the 72 PS. Coming to the torque, it gives a 3 torque option. One is the 160 Nm, 152 Nm, and the 96 Nm. As per the ARS certification, the fuel efficiency goes around 20 kmpl per liter for the petrol. And coming to the transmission option, it comes with 5-speed manual, 5-speed AMT, and the Xtronics CVT. Now coming to, if you see the Renault Kiger, the instant thing that will be noticing is the front fascia of it. It comes with a unique display of the front grille. It has a chrome part to it, and it has a unique setup of headlamp setup, which is tri-octo, which means it has 3 types of LED headlamps with uniquely placed DRL. And when you see the Kiger from this side, the thing that will be noticing is it's 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheel. It looks very aggressive, and also it has the premiumness to it. Now coming to when you see the car from the inside, the dashboard has been neatly placed. All things have been well proportionate, so you feel that you have this sitting in a very premium type of car, or the premium cabin or the interiors. And it comes with an 8-inch infotainment system with the music system of Arcanus. Along with that, it comes with a smartphone based replication, and which means you have an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto facility. It also has a wireless charger facility for its customers, and it also has a 7-inch MID screen where you get all the information related to the Kiger. So at the tip of it, you get the information: what is the performance, what is the thing you want to service. Everything is there on the MID screen, which is a very advanced type of it when you compare to the segment. Then it comes with a boot space of 405 liter, and if you expand, you can expand up to 800 liters roughly. Then coming to it, comes with 2.5 air filter to keep the inside of the cabin quite hygiene. Along with it comes with, if you see the safety packages of it, it comes with 4 airbags. One is the driver, co-driver, and the 2 airbags is the thorax airbags, which has been given for the driver and the co-driver. Coming to the braking system, it comes with ABS with EBD, and also it gives a provision of front parking sensor. So these are the safety packages they are giving it. So as of now, these are the information I would like to share about the Renault Kiger. Once we get the vehicle, we'll have a proper walk around of it. And till then, friends, I hope this video is very informative to you. Feel that any information has been left, kindly share me on the comment box. And also once again, thank you for watching this video. Be safe. Jai Hind.